In this video, I'm going to give you a small rundown of Canva AI and how to use the AI for making images, flyers, editing, anything. Canva call their AI Magic Studio. If you don't already know that, if you have Canva already, you should know that the Canva AI is called Magic Studio, which means basically all they do is that all different types of AI apps all over, they bring it to their own app, like they link it together so that you can use those AI apps within Canva. And these are the most interesting ones and the most useful ones in my opinion. Before this time, whenever you want to make a design with Canva, you want to resize, I normally have to use external apps to switch my design resolution, maybe from landscape to portrait to landscape. You understand what I'm talking about? So one I use the most is Magic Switch. I use this Magic Switch because when you are posting, the same dimension you are posting on Twitter will be different from the same dimension you are going to post on Instagram. So I use this Magic Switch a lot, which means whenever you just design once, then you resize to others without doing any other thing. So AI basically just changes the dimension of your designs to another one. Then another one I use a lot, you can see all their AI apps here. Let me show you all their AI apps. You see, once you click on Magic Studio, it will show you by the home side, by the home panel, the menu panel. It will show you all the apps they have regarding AI and how to use. They have Magic Write, which is basically content creation, text creation. Go from a prompt to a first draft or something. They have Magic Switch, which is the one I use the most. They have Magic Animate, which makes objects move. This one is similar to Rundown AI. They also have Magic Morph, which changes words and shapes into prompts. You're using prompts rather. And they also have turning ideas to images, text to image. They also have text to video. Basically, most of the AI options you have available outside the world, they can also do it outside Canva. You can also do it inside Canva, which is a very smart way for them to use this. But the problem is, well, I won't say it's a problem, that you need Canva Pro to use Canva AI. So, and Canva Pro, you can easily get that one. You can see it's all around you. You see someone, it's normally at the price of 1K. More or less, can be above that, can be below that. You can easily get Canva Pro. For example, you see Magic Design. I also use this one a lot. What it does is that you give it an instance of you see, this is an example they give you here. Instagram post for a travel consignation promoting a beach holiday. Immediately you click this, it will give you a fresh design containing whatever text you put there, and it will be as catchy as possible. And that's how you use Magic Design. It's very, very easy to use. Let me see if I can show you how you use that one. But before that, I also want to show you how you use this Magic for presentations. Presentation is basically, as you know, the slides, right? So you just tell it, okay, I want a presentation for a social awareness. If you can see from this thumbnail they put as an example there, you can see that's how it works. Then there is Magic Design for video. If you remember, I said they also have text to video. So let me just show you some of the features. And I've already mentioned Magic Switch, I've already mentioned Magic Resize. I'm just going to show you the Magic right now. Hold on. But before I show you that one, I just want to use an Instagram template or any design tool, and we are going to use different types of Canva AI features on it so that you understand fully how this works. It's a very powerful tool, and if you explore Canva well enough, all you need for your graphics, media, images, video, everything you need is already inside Canva to create, and you just go from there. But it's also very easy to use, and they have loads and loads of templates. You see use 5+ words to describe what you want. So I'm just going to say, for example, Instagram post for my sneaker arrival, something like that. You see it will generate something around there. It will generate, you use AI to generate. You can see a Magic Design. That's how you use Magic Design. You just describe the design you want, and it will give you some templates here. Because in this account I already have Pro, I can use this and download it. But you see that everything I provided as the description will be inside it, such that all I have to do is edit one or two words, or maybe restructure one or two things. It's still loading. It won't take a lot of time to load. But you see here, these are some templates that without describing, you can just copy and paste. And look at how catchy, how amazing they are. And all you have to do is just change the image, change the text, etc, etc. It's very, very easy to use, like I said. And once you are done, maybe you want to post the same image on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, we already mentioned Instagram, Facebook, etc. I'll just use magic switch here. Once you click on magic switch rather, you see the resolution. It will ask you, you can translate, you can transform into doc, but you can resize. Resize is the main feature. So you can resize to Facebook post, you can resize to, and it will use AI to do that for you. You can see here, it has left a spot for even our image here. Look at how amazing that is. It's already it's look at the text here: fresh arrival, new sneakers in stock, and then a spot for our image to put by the side. So if I want to be more specific, I can say, I can mention my brand colors. I can even give you the color code and to create the design in this based on the description I provided. Using this, you don't even have to have any design skill, just know how to type words. That is all about Canva AI, and the most useful ones are, in my opinion. But before I go, I want to tell you there are some other things that I use Canva for. I think they still have this feature. Someone asked me the other day how they can, beautify their product photos. Canva also has that feature. You can see here, once you go to apps, it's part of the recommended. You see product photos here. But compared to other AIs that are specialized in just editing product photos, Canva is not that bad, but it's not as good as them. But it's definitely a go-to option if you have the Pro for 1K, because most of the others are actually paid. So if you have the Pro for 1K, because you need the Pro for this, all you have to do is just upload your product photos, and it will, you see here, picture perfect production. This is one of the features I use for one of the businesses I've worked on, multiple businesses I've worked on, because you can't be posting product photos directly from your camera unless you have a professional setup. This is a word of attention and status. If you are posting product photos without right captions, professional setup, you will just get brushed aside. If you already have the right captions to use, the right everything to use, that means you don't need the ABC, you just need how to make perfect product photo. And to do that, all you need is this. You just go to Canva, go to apps, and go to product photos, and you have that one already. Same with the flyers, same with the resizing of the flyers, same with product stickers. Let me just show you something here. If I search for stickers here, you see that Canva can also create stickers. You see it right here, and I'm going to show you. You see here, sticker here, sticker here, and you use the same template. I can even describe it using the magic AI to magic design to describe the sticker, and it will create it for you. So you can see circle sticker, oval sticker, rectangular sticker, whatever type of sticker you need, and for whatever you need it for. If you already have the type of the marketing campaign that you are going to add this sticker to and everything, all you have to do is just come here, and it will do the work for you. And remember, it's not AI that will pay you money. Canva itself will never pay you money. They are just a means to an end. That is how you should always see it. It's not a magic something. It's not something that turns that turns water to wine or whatever. You understand? It's just a means to an end to make things better for you, to make things the things that you normally struggle to do easier for you, the things that you normally pay for, to make them at your fingertips without paying anybody. That is all about Canvas. Anything, most of the things you need when it comes to app media, you most probably find them in Canva. Remember, I mentioned that you can use text. You can do text to image on Canvas. What they use is DALL-E. DALL-E is one of the AI apps that Canva is integrated with, and I use this a lot because some of my images, if you check my Instagram, they have illustrations. I use DALL-E to generate the illustrations for them, and then I just drag and drop the illustrations. Once I generate it inside Canva, I just drag and drop it there. You can use that one too. But if you go to their apps here, you can see here, you most definitely find what you need. Just search whatever it is you need there. See AI animate, type gradients, add gradients to text. Look at this one too. Graphics with patterned AI, audio, videos, translation, QR code, mockups, anything. You can see if someone is going to do a deep dive on this, it's going to take a while. But the one you need and the one you use, that you use the most as a beginner to Canva, is using the magic design feature, and that is that about that. I want to remind you of one thing again, that all these things are not going to directly impact your business. They are not going to. They will aid it, but it's more about the content on the file. It's more about what you are making people see, how you are making them see them, the amount of people that are seeing all this, and all of this, like I said, is covered in the ABC. If you've checked the video I said before, everything about it is covered in the ABC. And you can see here the flyer part is only like 1%. You can see it's only 1% around the graphic designing, images specialist, etc. Everything about Canva AI, and everything is already in there. But how you get the content you put on there, how you make it as catchy as possible, how you get people to see it, which is lead generation, how you get quality people to see it, which is quality lead generation with AI, using targeted text, using resonating copies, etc. Everything is already in here, and this is what will make whatever flyer you design actually blow. Like what will make it resonate, what will make it get results. It's not the flyer itself that will get results. It's not the act of designing it. You understand what I'm trying to say? Then you have here the marketing part, how you create content for the flyers, how you create a system to keep generating the flyers, everything you need to know. Now the next video is going to be about Bing AI and how you use it to create product stickers. This is all about Canva. And again, all you have to do to get this ABC, you already know. Just tell me my DM that you're ready to get it, and I will walk you through what you need and how it will work and every other question you have. But I always recommend watch what is inside the ABC first and to understand what it is all about. You can see here, I just want to show you the marketing aspect. This is one of the marketing aspects. Look at this: online marketing, infinite content creation, social media branding. There's just a lot of everything you need. This is a full business kit for you using AI and using real life experiences. That is all for that. That is all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one where I'll be talking about how you use Bing AI to create images.